Hi, my name's Andy Vermouth. I am a beekeeper here in Denver, and I do mostly varietal honeys. Linden especially is our specialty here, and I've been doing it for about 15 years. Linden for us really helped with those allergies, I think. It's known as a kind of anti-inflammatory and respiratory aid, and just the flavor of it more than anything. Just this incredible lime, citrusy, mint kind of flavor that you get from it, and whole aroma is very special, and I don't think you get that really with any other honey. So that's really why we pursue mostly linden honey. It's special and rare in that in this urban context, you have to really focus on single sources of it. So I know what trees our bees are going for. You know, it's right over there, one's right over there. There's a whole row of them along the school on that street 2 blocks away. And I've tracked our bees to all of those trees. So I know that both how those trees are managed by the city and by people who are just, living right next to them. There's no pesticides on them. So that's most important to me as a source. But also you just have this short window of when really nothing else is blooming in the tree system. So it's mostly linden at that time, between like the solstice around the 20th of June to, second, third week of July. And like you'll get a few of the giant catalpa, but honeybees don't usually go for those as much because the blossom is so deep. They're so readily on the linden that you pretty much know it's going to be a linden varietal. And because in a rural context, you don't get those linden trees in such a concentrated area, and there's so much more pollen and nectar source, you're just not sure that you're going to get that varietal. So this is really the ideal context to get that linden varietal in that space of 1 month. When you guys reached out to me first about including the honey in a mushroom concoction, I was really excited because I've been a fan of mushrooms and mushroom therapy for a long time now, and just knowing that the linden honey in particular and other varietals are a really great kind of vehicle and substrate for lots of different effects. And I'm really glad that you guys reached out and started experimenting with it, and I think it's been a success.